Everything.
Man, kick my door, yo. I was sitting up in here, just sitting there, minding my own business. He comes up, kicks my door, tells me to leave. I'm like, that's fine. But don't kick my fucking door. What's your name and badge number? You still haven't given it to me in an hour.
No
So
shit.
I'm sitting here waiting. Let's know. I'm supposed to put on my door. They probably know what. He doesn't have a right to.
That's crazy.
And he won't give me his name and company number and shit because he knows it's fucking wrong.
No shit.
I left the location like he asked. I mean, that's what I'm doing. I mean, no problem. I parked over there. I just want this personnel to put on my door. You can knock on the window and be like, hey, you know how the fuck I'm in there anyway. You know what I mean? I don't know how. Somehow, I guess he got binoculars or some shit.
You got,
I don't know, but anyway, I said I'd leave, and then you kick my door. It's like, wow, you know, you kicked my door without even acknowledging I was there. You just walked up, put the foot on the door, pushed it in. And I'm like, what, sir? You know, like, what are you doing? You know, I said, okay, well, why? What's the problem? You know what I'm saying? I said, okay, fine, I'll leave. But why are you putting the foot on my door? You know what I mean? You don't have the right to do it.
that's crazy. Hey, I was in I was just in that building right there, and if I'm not mistaken, he was inside working in there. Inside that, he was inside this building here. So
he works inside there?
He works inside there, yeah.
Hey, what's your name, dude?
So this is obviously public property until you're asked to leave, but he's not supposed to kick your door and shit, right?
Exactly. And that's what I said. I'm like, dude, I'll leave. I just want to know your name and who you work for, because that's not how you go to a vehicle. You don't just go.
Damn.
If I had a Lexus or that Mercedes,
right?
I got that shitty S10, but still, you know, it's my fucking car.
I got a
Jaguar or something. I can match.
So what's up, guys? So I'm right here, and I was walking out of the business. I'm actually kind of here on business. As I was walking on business, I seen this guy come and talk to the security guard here, and he's a little upset that he said he came and kicked the door. I'm just kind of recording the document, you know, make sure everything is cool. If I'm not mistaken, this guy said he called the cops on this security guard. Hey, is everything okay, man? I can't even lie, I was inside the building. I was in there like getting ready to do some business, and I kind of walked up, and this guy was like, he had kind of like an attitude like he owned the building, like he owned the place. And I was like, damn, like, we asked him, hey, is this building in here? And he was like, well, you just passed it up. And we're like, wait a minute, but that's not what we asked you. Like, where is it at? Like, is it in here? Like, he didn't have to be rude like that or anything. And so I just thought that was kind of funny. And I mean, I guess I was kind of right, you know. Like, as I walked by, I asked him, and he decided to come out here and kick this guy's door, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know if this guy's on the phone with the cops or what, but he said the security guard kicked his door. So I guess we're gonna sit here and wait a little bit, see what happens, guys. Stay tuned.
had the right to defend myself legally, to be honest with you, according to the law. I could have got out and put hands on him. But I didn't, of course. But you know, what I'm saying is I want this issue addressed. But according to the law, California law, that's what it says. If someone's assaulting my property, I have the right to defend it. And he was assaulting my property. So, you know.
So if I'm not mistaken, homeboy was in his
And I
truck.
did. No, nobody has the right to go to my car, not even a police officer. Unless I'm not. You don't have the right to walk up and put his foot on the door. In my kitchen. That's what it is. So, what do you do about this? Call back? Yeah, I'll just call the cops, man. I'll just call the law, dude. Whatever, dude. If you're not going to care about it, I'll just call the police on it, man. Yeah, like how long? I mean, I'm not trying to sit here and be an annoyance to anybody else that doesn't deserve for me to be an annoyance to. You know what I mean? But this guy caused the annoyance and he needs to address this problem that he caused. What's that? You said 10 minutes? Okay, man. All right. Hey, what's your name? Yeah, you guys know this guy? Do you know the security guard man? Have you ever seen him? Have you ever seen that guy? Yeah? Okay. Do you know his name and who he works for? Because he kicked my door for no reason.
For building management, I don't know his name.
I was sitting here just minding my own business, and he comes up, puts his foot in my door and pushes it and says, "You gotta leave," which is fine. I'll leave. I'm minding my own business. I ain't bothering nobody, but you ain't got no right to put your foot on my car door and kick me in. You know what I mean? So, what's your name? What's your badge number? Who you work for? He won't give it to me. Just ignore it. So that's why I'm still here. In case you know.
Right, that's the one.
I chose to leave. You know? In case someone asks, you know. But I still have unfinished business that he didn't, you know.
Alright guys, so this is where I cut off the video and went live. If you want to watch the live stream, it's on my channel. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description and the pinned comment for you guys. I will warn you though, it's not very exciting. Cops don't come, security guard goes inside, and the man leaves. There is a reason I went ahead and uploaded this video though. I want to show you guys a little bit of what society has become these days. Nobody seems to know anything about the Constitution or the First Amendment. Nobody seems to know that people have rights out there. Everybody's going on feelings. Police officers don't seem to know the First Amendment, and security guards are going around thinking they have presumed authority as well. Going around kicking people's cars, huh? Unbelievable, folks. Another thing I want to highlight is the fact that both of these guys called the cops on each other, but the cops never showed up. I bet you if the security guard would have called and said there's somebody standing here with the camera, there would have been at least 5 cops there in the blink of an eye. And this is the pattern that we're seeing in Bakersfield, California, folks. When somebody needs help, there's no police officer to be found. When there's a madman waving a gun around, cops will take their sweet ass time to get there. But if there's somebody out there that they can easily manhandle, they always race to be first on scene. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Get ready, folks, because we're working on an important video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell because you do not want to miss this one. All right, guys, I'll see you then. Have a blessed day. Peace.